Good day, viewers, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Chima Matter Spiritual TV. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel is all about spirituality. I share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages, messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problem, messages that will help you to defeat your enemies using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. Also using natural ingredients, natural resources, natural herbs, natural plants, natural roots that God has created, harnessing their spiritual energies, frequencies, and vibration, and manifesting our spiritual tips on here. So if this is your first time of joining us, if this is your first time of coming in contact with this face, you need to become a bona fide member of this channel by subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get notified. Like my videos, comment on the comment section, share my videos, and also invite your friends, your well-wishers to be a partaker of this great channel. And for those of you who are my returning subscribers, my Day One Gang, my returning viewers, you know who you are. I pray for you that as the sun has risen from the east to the west, and nothing could stop the sun from rising, nothing will stop you from reaching your goals, and so shall it be. Without wasting each and every one of your time, I have come with another simple recipe that can bring peace, that can bring prosperity to your home, that can increase your finance, that can bring breakthrough in your life. Yes, all you need to do is to make sure you watch this video to the end. And I am going to show you the thing that is required for this remedy. Yes, this recipe, all you need on this recipe, the first item you need on this recipe is a jar like this. A jar, a container jar. And the next thing you will be needing is your garlic clove. This is garlic clove. Yes, this is my garlic. Then another item you will be needing on this is your bay leaf. This is my bay leaf. The spice we use in cooking. The spice that has a good aroma when you use it for jollof rice. If you are cooking jollof rice with this, your neighbors will be perceiving the odors wherever they are. Another item is your clove. Your clove. Your clove. That is another item. Then with these three materials and your jar, I think you are good to go on this recipe. You will never regret doing this. And after doing this, things will never remain the same. So without wasting your time, when you get your jar, you have to purify it with your hot water. You have to pray for it because of the people that are selling the container, because of the hand that has touched the container, in case they have polluted it. So you sanctify this jar with salt water. Then, after that, you get your garlic and you pray on your garlic that God should come and through this garlic, that this recipe that you are doing, that is going to work for you. Let every spiritual energy that garlic carries, let it be the energies that you are going to use on this recipe. That through the power of garlic, through the spiritual vibration that garlics carry on this recipe, you are going to destroy negative energy. You are going to destroy set backwardness. You are going to destroy all traces of any man or any woman that is causing disappointment, failure, backwardness, rising and falling, barrenness in your home, barrenness of any kind, barrenness of childbearing, barrenness of finances. That is what you need. So, number one, you are going to put your garlic. Then, when you are done praying on the garlic, you also do the same prayer on this bay leaf. Alright? Then, how you do this is this. You get your bay leaf. 7 leaf of bay leaf is going to go inside this jar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You also need to get your clove. 7 pieces of clove. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, the last but not the least, what you are going to get, you get your garlic clove, also 7 pieces of it inside the jar. Anointing no be juju, and anointing no be wayo. God uses the foolish thing to confirm the wise. After doing this, your life will never remain the same. Even your finances, your business will blossom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Everything inside the jar will go on 7, 7. Yes. When you are done doing it this way, you add your clean water to it. You add your clean water to it. There. After adding your clean water to it, like this, what you will do, you are going to keep it by your bedside. Now listen to the instruction. If you are the type that has bad dream, by the grace of God, when you do this remedy, you will stop having bad dream. If you are the type that eats in the dream, by the grace of God, this will stop you from eating in the dream. If you are the type that get oppressed, by the grace of God, this remedy is going to stop you from every evil dream, from getting pressed at night. Some people, they get pressed at night. They cannot even lift their part of their body or speak up when they are dreaming. This remedy is going to stop it. Another thing that this remedy does is to remove negative energy from your home. If there is quarrel in your home, people that normally fight, people that normally quarrel, are you a couple that you normally quarrel? Are you, your children always fight? This recipe is going to help you to stop that quarreling and fight. And if you have a child that normally cry ungodly hour without anything happening to that child, this recipe is also going to help you to stop every manipulation, every evil manipulation in your home. This recipe will stop it. This is going to remove every kind of evil spells, evil arthritis, every evil spell, every evil incantation, every evil enchantment. Yes, this is a magnet to magnet every bad energy, every evil. This particular remedy. And another thing, this particular remedy is going to bring good fortune. It's going to bring good thing. Anything you lay your hand, you will start progressing. All you need to do, you can do this. If you are living in 3 rooms, you can do 3 jars of this. Put one inside your room, put one inside your sitting room, and put one inside your children's room. This particular recipe is going to do wonders. After doing this recipe, your life will never remain the same. This will remove negative energy. This will remove hard luck. This will remove stagnation. This will remove evil attack of any kind. If only you can do this. All you need on this recipe to get it right is just garlic clove, bay leaf, and your clove. That is what you need. And a jar. Add water to it. Keep it inside your room, close to your bed. Keep it in your sitting room. It's going to drive away evil spirit. It's going to drive evil thoughts, evil words. And it's going to bring love. It's going to bring prosperity. Things that has not been moving will start moving. And you can take this to your business place. In that your shop, you can put this remedy where people will not see it. Yes. You know how your shop is, but you need to put it in a hidden place. This will bring a lot of customers. This will bring a lot of fruitfulness in your shop. Any man, any woman that comes to your shop with bad intention, that bad intention is going to return to he or she. Once he carries bad mind to come to your shop, he or she will be destabilized because you already done this recipe. Yes. Go and try this recipe out, and your life will never remain the same. Let me tell you, if there is any bad thing or any poison or any charm that they have buried in your business environment or inside the shop where you are making your sale, if you did this recipe and put it in your shop, this recipe will destroy whatsoever any man or any woman has done against your life. Yes, go and try this recipe out. At this junction, I have come to the end of this video. I will see you in my next video. If you have never subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. Like my videos, comment on the comment section. And if you need anything for me to do for you, don't hesitate to call me on WhatsApp. +234 7088 136610. That is my number. Don't forget, we also have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. And a lot of people has been buying it. It has been from one testimony to the other. So don't hesitate to call me if you need any of my help. God bless you. See you in my next video.